It's called as the evaluator's. It's called as the evaluator's judgment. Kiran and Nitin, you people have been judging everybody so far, and they have been very much obedient and reliable to you. Now, they will be asking questions to you, and you both will be answering all their questions. I hate that too. Last time we were கீழே போய் என்ன பேர் ஃபோன் பண்ணி கேளு அவர்கிட்ட என்னன்னு கேளு யார் நிக்கிறாங்க So you can ask questions to Kiran and
about the activity.
Ask her not to call during class for sundry tiny idiotic things. பலதடவை உங்க அம்மாட்ட சொல்லிருக்கேன், ஓகே சொல்லிருக்கேன். It's not a joke. அடுத்தவங்களோட டைம் வேஸ்ட் ஆகுது. எத்தனை தடவை சொல்றது வேண்டியது? ஏதோ பேரண்ட் வந்திருக்காங்கன்னு சொல்றதுக்காக கூப்பிடுறதால கால் எடுக்கிறதுனால. It should be the last time. You can ask questions to Kiran and I will start off with the question. So, ஒரு ட்ரெண்ட் செட் பண்ணோம்னா உங்களுக்கு நிறைய questions.
ஓகே. எந்த மாதிரி கேக்குறது?
அதான் ஓகே. கிரண்
சரி.
Kiran, what was the reason for conduction of this activity and why did you think that your peers have to undergo this kind of a physical wrong? Question or answer to
So, sir, my answer for that should I answer that question, sir, or was that just
Why did you ask the question in the first place? Why did you ask it in the first place?
Then why did I ask that question to you? Do you think I was making any attempt to ask the question to the legendary personality who is sitting around you, Mr. Nitin Nitish? No, I cannot ask such simple question to Mr. Nitin. Answer the question.
So, sir, my answer for that question, sir, is, well, first of all, for everyone to get, because if it's just a sitting activity, sir, no one would really get involved as much, sir, but because it's a physical activity, sir, a lot of people would really like to be part of this activity, sir, because physical activity is a very
Okay.
a very evolving thing, sir.
Fair enough. I can appreciate that answer. Good job. Yeah. Vishnu here has the next question. Go.
So Kiran, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So what was the second hot ball which sir used?
அவருக்கு காலையில் எத்தனை டீ சாப்பிட்டாங்க அவருக்கு போய் செகண்ட் ஹார்ட் பால் செகண்ட் கூல் பால் அவருக்கு
Akka, first of all, I can't really answer that because first of all, my video was stuck, Akka, and second, I was busy taking notes of the points, so I didn't really, I had PowerPoint open in one window and this open in another window, Akka.
So Kiran, what was my score in the second round?
Forget it. Okay. First of all,
Yeah, sir. Nitin. Okay, sir, Kiran. Can you hear me? Kiran?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, in a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate your involvement in this activity from a distant place? In a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you think you were involved in this activity?
Is she involved?
That's it. And you can answer for it.
Well, Arnab, first of all, I wasn't really involved in the actual task.
Okay.
But if you were to say how much I talked during this task, then I would say around like 5 or 4 now.
Okay, right.
Then can you answer?
That's a smart.
So Ritan, I have a question towards you.
Yes, Mitra.
Oh, irukka.
So Ritan, if you were given the chance of the declaration and in place 2, you have to only opt for one person for place 2. So already there are 3 persons in place 2, Pranav, Kalpita and Valentina. Whom would you have opted and declared that this person deserves this place 2 and why?
Can you repeat the question, Mr.
Mitra, I think Balajina deserves second place. So he definitely put the hard work. And when Sir gave the 3 seconds option and he done it really fast, so I thought
Super Ritan, thank you so much for your
Super.
Prabhu Aditya and then Kaviraj and then Pranav.
So Ritan, this question goes to you. So you need to give an elaborated analysis of how Pranav, Balagina and Lakshmana played.
Elaborated analysis.
so basically the 3 of them done really good job and Pranav did really well and he was really active in the pick the ball and give the ball to Sir that round. I really don't know the name of that round and in that he was really fast and how to say, fast to think and pick the ball. So, and Balajina, as last question, I asked the same answer. This also he really done a really good job and as fast as he could, he done it. And Prabhu, who is the third person?
Cross question.
Lakshmana Ritan. Lakshmana.
Okay,
And
good.
Dakshinana, as same as Balajina, he also really good.
Yeah, one answer is really common for all the students.
Kaviraj.
Anna, why did you not participate in the rounds now?
No comments.
Kavin, I'm not able to come to online, so not able to that.
No, that's not an answer. Why didn't you get involved in this? Why did you leave? That's what it is.
Anna, this is basically on physical task now. If I could come there, I will obviously
No, he's asking why didn't you do
very
your
hard
job?
thing to come there now.
Hey, he's asking why you didn't do your job, evaluating.
Anna, sir asked you to tell the score now. Why did you not?
That's what he's asking.
Sir told Kiran to do it and not like that, and I wrote the points in the chat. If you can see it, I wrote for Priyanka plus 5 and minus 5, like that I wrote for everyone. And last few minutes I didn't correctly write that, so
Okay,
I didn't.
Pranav.
Ritan, question to you. So, what was the thing I chose? Like, we had sir gave us few options, and he told us to pick one and give the answer to it. So, what did I pick, and what was the answer to it?
ನಾನು ಒಂದೇ ಬೈಕ್ ಅಂತ 6ನೇ ಅಡಿಗೆ
Now,
Can you repeat the
Ritin and so sir gave us few at the beginning of this activity. Sir told us to pick Sir gave us few options and he told to pick one and give the answer for it. So what did I pick and what answer did I give to it? Like
I correctly don't know the answer.
Not answer now. Repeat.
I don't know the answer now.
Okay. Done. Kiran and Ritan, the parents have started coming and we are coming to the close and we are also getting a little bit of a shower. And this steel shed will make a lot of noise when it is showering. So we are, thank you for judging the people along with me. I really appreciate that.
Great job, Kiran. Great.
And we are continuing the surmounting survivors any case tomorrow. And tomorrow if anybody is coming up with the excuse that this person is not come, that person is not come, we will have this celebration and that celebration, then you will see a real wild animal out of me. Tomorrow at any cost by 7 o'clock or 7:15, surmounting survivors should be finished because I have got a separate plan. I have prepared a week schedule. So as per my week schedule, Tuesday there has to be a separate activity.
Okay.
Nanda said she will be coming a little advanced, so we will have to work accordingly. That's enough. So most of the people who created the plot and who expressed the interest, they have done. Like you, Kalpita, Lakshmi. Yes, there are a couple of people like Vishnu Priya's plots are pending, but that is taking too much of time and there is no learning platform in it. I was thinking the other way, but there is no learning platform. Plenty of people are manipulating, plenty of people are keeping their mouth shut and remaining silent. Like in most of the skits, Ritan did not speak, Vidubhashi did not speak, Kiran did not participate properly. So I have scrapped that idea. So hereafter, these kinds of team activities will be taking place. Yes. Okay, right? Any questions before we say bye?
Even if it rains, the class will not be followed.
Tomorrow, even if the whole universe is coming down because of rain, I will still conduct class.
Okay.
Because Friday's class has been abruptly, I was very annoyed on Friday because that was a very important class. The flow was cut. அதனால தான் இன்னைக்கு நான் கிளாஸ் வச்சேன். இன்னைக்கும் நீங்க வேண்டாம்னு சொல்லிட்டு வேற ஆக்டிவிட்டி மாத்திட்டீங்க. நாளைக்கு ஏதாவது சொன்னீங்கன்னா ஜன்னலையும் கதவையும் சாத்தி திறந்து
This one, sir.
ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. நாளைக்கு என்ன மழையா இருந்தாலும் உங்களோட ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டி. நீங்க காரு, சேரியட், மைல் வாங்கணும் எதுல வேணாலும் இது முன்னாடியே வேணாம். மழை வர மாதிரி இருந்துச்சுன்னா நாளைக்கு காலைக்கு வந்து இங்க உட்காந்து. I don't have any problem. வந்து இங்க உட்காந்து ஏதாவது நீங்க ஆக்டிவிட்டி பண்ணிட்டு ஷூட்டிங் ஆக்டிவிட்டி வாட் எவர் இருக்கு. ஸோ அதுக்கப்புறம் மழை பெய்ஞ்சுனா ஏன்னா நான் முன்ன மாதிரி கீழே உங்களை கூட்டிகிட்டு போக முடியும். 2019 என்ன ஒன்றுன்னு கேட்டிங்கன்னா மெட்ரோவுக்கு பாலாஜிக்கு நிந்தா கீர்த்தனா நான் கீழே ஹாலில் வச்சு கண்டிப்பேன். பட் இப்போ நான் கீழே ஹாலில் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் கூட்டிகிட்டு போகிறதில்ல. அதனால் இங்கே தான் நடக்கும். எவ்வளோ சத்தமாக இருந்தாலும் இங்கே தான் கத்தி பேசும். ரைட் ஓகே. ஸோ ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் இஸ் மண்டே நான் வந்து எதுக்கும் லீவ் விட மாட்டேன். ஒர்க் Monday is a work day. Okay. So tomorrow I'll be there by 7:30. So we will work. Okay. Right, Kiran, please remember whatever I have mentioned about the birthday celebration. All those are final and it is not revoked. Okay? You understood?
Okay, sir.
Right. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye. Keep shining.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, inscription system. Bye, sir.
Okay, say bye to Keerthana with everybody. Yes, Ritan. What is it?
Sir, for sports boost and online MSc teacher from
Bye.
coming.
Bye.
Solda.
Sir, from first I will come, sir.
From December 1st,
I will come, sir. On direct, sir.
November full online la iruppa illaya?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you're welcome. Thank you. Thanks for the info. Bye.
Ritan, bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, friends.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, Ritan.
Bye. காலை புட்டு
இந்த கால் இந்த ஒரு ஃபிங்கர்
ரெட் கலர் ஃபிங்கர்ஸ்
பரவாயில்ல
And stop.
பரவா பாய்
இல்லவா
தாயே சார் அன்னைக்கு கூப்பிட்டார் சார் சரியா வா தர்ஷன் கூப்பிடுங்க நான் அன்னையும் கூப்பிடுறேன் அன்னை
நீ அவன் பண்ணா அவனுக்கு சொல்லுவான் உனக்கு பண்ணாது போய் ஒரு ஆளுக்கு நீ வந்து
ரெண்டு அக்கௌண்ட்